Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to publish Squarespace website. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. All you have to do is to log into your Squarespace account and then find that template or website or output that you wanted to publish. So tap the three dots, go to settings, and then once you tap settings, you can see options here below. Kindly go to site availability, tap this one. And then as you can see here, you are using private account, or I should say you are using the basic version of Squarespace. Now, if you want to go public or if you want to post your website to public, then all you have to do is to upgrade your plan. So you need to select a plan here. For example, we have here the first one, $16, $22. Everything is up to you, and you can see here the features that you can avail once you unlock or once you upgrade your plan from basic. After selecting a plan, go to payment method and information, click save and continue, then you have to pay for that amount. Then once you've purchased or upgraded your plan, you can go back to site availability and you can tap the option public. Because now at this very moment, I am using the basic or free version, so I can tap that. So once I upgraded my plan, I can tap public. Then in that way, I can publish my Squarespace website. So that's how easy it is. You need to upgrade, you need to pay for your plan in order for you to publish your Squarespace website in public. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.